What is going on, guys? King Atlas. I know it's been a little bit of time now, but for those who follow me on social media, my Instagram and my Twitter, know within the last 4 to 5 months I've been buying and reselling quite a bit. I actually started my own cook group as well, Vader IL, but in this video I'm going to actually show you guys my desk setup, some of my favorite bots that I'm currently using right now, along with my favorite proxy providers, general overview kind of stuff. But stay tuned to the end of this video for some updates and some information. But without further ado, let's stop wasting your time and let's get into this video. Now, to start things off, my desk is actually made from fully.com. This is their white powder coated Jarvis stand and sit desk. I've had it since 2018. Actually, my last desk tour video, the white powder coated kind of texture has really stood the test of time. So I really enjoy this desk. I don't believe they make this model anymore, but you can check out their website. Link will be down below, but you can kind of fully customize your desk down to the cable management underneath and all of that good stuff. So definitely take a look at their website. Now, as far as functionality goes, I like to have my SD card reader and my headphone stand mounted underneath my desk here, like I have here. So whenever I plug in my MacBook Pro to my USB-C dock here, I can just simply take an SD card, plug it in, and it'll be ready to go. Same with my headphones here. I use the Sony WH-1000XM4s. These are the Series 4 or Model 4 editions. Honestly, these Sonys are my favorite over-the-ear noise canceling headphones I've ever used. Just as far as features go and actually sound, they sound incredible. Now, actually coming up to my desk, I have my MacBook Pro here. This is the late 2016 15-inch MacBook Pro. I have this whole setup enabled with my Plugable dock here that I can just input 1 or 2 of my USB-C cables into my computer and connect to both of my 4K monitors here, which is really nice. Now, speaking of my monitors, these are LG 4K monitors. They're USB-C enabled, meaning they have USB-C ports on the back of them. I do not know the specific brand of them, but they will be linked down below in the description. Next up here, I have my keyboard. This is the Logitech 915 TKL. This is the full-size keyboard. I'm a full-size keyboard kind of guy, and this is the GL Clicky edition, which, might I say, since switching to my PC, which I'll show you later on in this video, I've really enjoyed mechanical keyboards quite a bit, and this one fit pretty much all of the parameters. It was wireless, had wireless option, had RGB options. Coming over to my 2 mouses that I use, I have the Logitech MX Master 3. I've had literally every iteration of the MX Master series, and this is by far one of my favorite mice. Just the features and functionality that you can really customize with this mouse, plus the ergonomic design, and it kind of fits my hands since they are a little bit larger. I absolutely love this mouse and probably will continue using the MX Master line mouses for quite some time. Since I have 2 computers, I kind of interchange these 2 mice depending on the task that I'm doing. I usually use the MX Master 3 for like video editing and photo editing. Rather, if I'm like botting and I need speed and I need to solve a bunch of captures, I definitely have my Razer Basilisk. I think this is what this is called. This is the Basilisk X Hyperspeed mouse. I don't even know, I got it on sale. I like it because of the actual speed. The response time is really nice, and actual just overall ergonomic design. So these are the kind of 2 mice that I use on my day-to-days, and like I said, I kind of interchange them depending on the task. Coming up a little bit more on my desk here, I have my wireless charger. I usually interchange like my AirPod Pros or my phone or whatever the case may be just on this Anker wireless charger. Everything will be linked down below in the description, but this is a fairly old wireless charger, nothing crazy. I also have my Focusrite Solo. This is actually my audio interface that I use for when I'm streaming, and also what you're hearing right now on my current microphone, which is the AKG P-220. Now, just under my mic stand here, I have my HomePod. We have HomePods all across our whole house, and we absolutely love them. Alrighty, now coming to the last and final piece of my setup here, I've added my botting PC. I pretty much run this 24/7 with the type of bots that I use, but this thing's got a 3070 RTX 3070 Founders Edition. I have 64 gigs of RAM. Now just know that this is my very first PC build. I'm a complete PC noob. I had quite a bit of help from a lot of my homies in the community, so definitely shout out to Why Not for helping me put this thing together. I'll have all the specs and links for everything in this PC will be linked down below, just like everything in this video will be linked down below as well. Now that's actually going to wrap up the desk tour portion of this video. I'm going to show you guys some of the software aspects and some of the bots that I use on my day-to-day basis. Probably three of my favorite bots that I currently use right now are eStock, Heha, and Veiler. eStock is one of my favorite bots to use. I pretty much run this 24/7. It absolutely destroys sites like Target, Amazon, Walmart, Pokemon Center, all of that kind of good stuff, retail sites. And this PC allows me to pretty much run 24/7, which is really nice. And if you guys follow me on social media, you would know that I've been buying quite a bit of shoes. The reason is because of these two bots here, which is Veiler and Heha. Cook foot sites, and foot sites include Foot Locker, Champs, East Bay, Finish Line, JD Sports, that kind of bundle of stores. I do have some live cop videos and some tutorial videos coming for you guys very soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. Major shout out to my two proxy companies that I use, Cove Proxies, which support most of my ISPs that I use for eStock and Heha, and I also use Trek Proxies for all of my resis that I use for Veiler and Heha, and Trek DCs that I mix between a lot of my eStock tasks. So if you guys want me to go over kind of my botting setup more in depth, definitely drop me a comment down below and say subscribe to the channel. So that's actually going to wrap up this video, guys. If you guys want me to go more in depth on a particular bot or proxy company that I use, everything in this video that I've mentioned will be listed down below, links and everything. So make sure you guys go check it out. Make sure you guys are following me on Twitter for all of my live cops or updates about the YouTube channel or anything behind the scenes regarding my YouTube and botting content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Deuce.